The European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR, is a treaty that protects fundamental rights and freedoms in Europe. It guarantees rights like the right to life, freedom from torture, and a fair trial. Landmark cases like Öcalan vs. Turkey have established the importance of these rights in various contexts. In simpler terms, the ECHR is like a rulebook for European countries that says everyone has certain basic rights that must be respected. These rights include 1. Right to life. No one can be deliberately killed by the state, except in very specific circumstances, like lawful acts of war. 2. Freedom from torture. No one can be tortured or treated inhumanely. 3. Right to a fair trial. If someone is accused of a crime, they have the right to a fair and public hearing, with a judge, and the right to legal representation. 4. Freedom of expression. People can say what they think, as long as it doesn't harm others. And 5. Freedom of religion. People can practice their religion freely. Examples. 1. Freedom from torture. If a police officer were to beat a suspect during an interrogation, that would be a clear violation of the ECHR. 2. Right to a fair trial. If someone is arrested and held without being told why or without a chance to defend themselves in court, that would also violate the ECHR. And 3. Freedom of expression. The ECHR protects journalists in their ability to report on issues, even if the information they publish is critical of the government, as seen in the case of Nagla vs. Latvia, according to the Council of Europe. Landmark cases. 1. Öcalan vs. Turkey. This case involved the leader of the Kurdistan Workers' Party, PKK, who was sentenced to death in a trial the European Court of Human Rights deemed not to be fair. The court ruled that the trial violated Article 6, Right to a Fair Trial, of the ECHR. 2. Nagla vs. Latvia. The European Court of Human Rights found a violation of Article 10, Freedom of Expression, when the police searched a journalist's home and seized data devices after she aired a broadcast about a leak from the State Revenue Service. The court emphasized the importance of journalist sources. And 3. Office vs. Turkey. This case highlighted the issue of domestic violence. The court condemned the lack of response from the Turkish judicial system to violence against women and found violations of Articles 2, 3, and 14, right to life, prohibition of torture, and prohibition of discrimination. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment.